My channel, it's your girl Destiny, and today we're going to be doing a little color touch up, a root touch up, whatever you want to call it. So I'm basically going to be applying the L'Oreal Hicolor highlights directly onto my roots. Now the reason I start with my roots instead of my ends is because my ends are already processed, they're already lightened, as you can see. So I put the mixture on my roots because it will not make a difference. In most cases, when you use this stuff, they always say to apply to your roots last because they process faster because of the heat from your scalp. But in this sense, because my ends were already lightened, I knew that it would not take that long for the mixture to turn my hair to the color I want it to be. So me starting on my roots is perfectly fine. Now if you are like working with hair that's like completely, you know, natural brown or natural black from root to your ends, then you might want to start on your ends first, then work on your roots. But like I said, my ends are already red, so I won't worry. I won't be worrying about, you know, my roots processing faster or anything like that. Now I do have a more descriptive, in-depth video of me doing this, so if you want to see that video, I will put the link down in my description so you could go check that video out. But all I'm doing is applying the, you know, L'Oreal Hicolor highlights in the color Magenta to my roots, and then I'm going to apply the color red on my ends because I like when my ends are a little bit brighter. So I'm gonna stop talking now and I'm just gonna let you guys continue on watching. Okay, you guys, so this is how my hair turned out. This is how it looks after it's been washed and deep conditioned. Now, if you want to see a wash routine video, I definitely can't make those for you guys. Just let me know in the comments below. So now I'm just going to basically blow dry my hair, and I have it sectioned off in 4 sections because it's easier for me. And like I showed you guys, that is going to be the serum that I'm going to be using. Is called BioSilk. I'll link it down below if you're interested. I love it. It's really amazing. It's good for your natural hair as well as like your hair extensions. Now it is a bit on the pricey side. It's $40, around $40. And it might be 40 plus tax depending on where you are. But me personally, I hate to spend unnecessary money, especially when I know I could get a good deal, because girl, they got this stuff in Marshalls, TJ Maxx. So you just got to be on the lookout, you know what I'm saying? And I love Marshalls. Like, that's like my girl, that's like the supermarket for me. Like, I be in Marshalls like every other week, you know what I'm saying? So you definitely can try to look out for it at, like, you know, like retail stores like that, like Marshalls, Burlington, stuff like that. They definitely will have it. So get you some of that. But anywho, now I'm just gonna blow dry my hair. Now, as you can see, I'm like stretching out my hair and blow drying it. I like doing that a little bit better instead of just like combing, you know, constantly combing through my hair, because that's too much manipulation and it's bad enough that I'm going to be flat ironing my hair. So I just try to, like, you know, blow it out with the brush when I get to the ends, because I was planning on cutting my ends anyway. But when I'm at the roots, I typically just pull it out, let it dry, and then I just kind of like blow out the ends a little bit with the brush, as you can see. So I'm just gonna stop talking and I'm gonna let you guys keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so this is how my hair turned out after it's been blow dried. I did go and flat iron my hair off camera. But if you guys want to see a video of me like silk pressing my hair and flat ironing it, I will definitely upload a video like that for you guys. Just let me know in the comments down below. But this is how the color came out. Poppington, of course. Okay. Poppington. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini video. I will definitely see you guys soon, and stay tuned for my next one. Bye.